because it's a health center that is going to be upgraded into a polyclinic very soon. And we need things like this to be able to do whatever we want to do and provide quality health care to our clients. We have screens, we have washing machine, weighing scale. I mean, a lot. Oh yes, oh, you see, most of them are electronics too, and you know we need power guards or something to so that they'll be able to work well. Servicing of the machines and whatever they have to do, and they have their IGF. They have their IGF. All right. So when they request put in the mechanism, we have the maintenance office at the hospital, and we can link up so that they have a schedule for regular maintenance, so that the machines are working and they stay on. And yet, I mean, okay, the lab is not equipped, so they are not using it. So all they have is the RDTs to work with. But if the lab is equipped and they can upgrade, they can run all the tests that they are able to work in a way to increase the clinic attendance and then their IGF to go up. Regina Apeliti, the public health nurse and the deputy director of nursing services.